Good evening everyone and welcome to Hotel Sacher in Vienna. You may wonder what these are all for, but it's my birthday today, comes around very quickly, and the hotel kindly sent up some balloons and some wonderful Sacher torte. Anyway, let's get down to business. We're staying at the Hotel Sacher, been here quite a few times, in the centre of Vienna, overlooking the Opera House. It's a fabulous hotel and the rooms have recently been refurbished and upgraded. This is a Deluxe Junior Suite. I'm really impressed with the level of detail in this room, and the finish on everything is absolutely superb. As you see, we've got the wonderful crystal chandeliers because we have the ceiling height. We have an amazing view. It really is terrific. And I'm just wondering, as I often go to the Ritz in London, and the last time I told you we had a bit of a disastrous stay because the accommodation was really below standard. But now they've introduced their new rooms. They've launched the new rooms. They've launched a Deluxe Junior Suite, similar proportions to this room. However, the price is so much more than this is. I'm also wondering, and I'll try to stay in one later in the year, I'm also wondering whether the finish of the Ritz London will be as good as the finish at the Sacher here in Vienna. It may be, but quite frankly, I'm not counting on it, because I've stayed in a few of the rooms in the Ritz London that were refurbished previously. They're beautiful, but the finish and the workmanship is not as good as here. So come take a look. Moving through here into the bedroom area, we have the most amazing comfortable bed. Again, the chandelier, this wonderful silk material on the wall, really perfection. And what really impressed me is this. What really impresses me is the finish of the doors, the paintwork, the molding. It's so beautifully done. Everything is perfection. For those of you who don't know, the Sacher Hotel has been family-owned hotel. It's an independent hotel. They also have one in Salzburg that I've stayed at, which is fabulous, overlooking the river, and recently opened a wellness center hotel as well. They have the same theme throughout. You'd say that it is restrained elegance, restrained luxury. Anyway, that's just my take on it. We'll look at the Ritz London when the new rooms come online and we can do a comparison. But remember here, also have a look at the wonderful view we have from this room. Come to the window. It's a very fantastic view. The room is full of light. It's very bright. On the other side, the rooms are looking directly onto the Opera House, which is fantastic. The Ritz London, of course, has the wonderful view of Green Park, but not that many rooms have that price view of Green Park. Most of them are looking onto the street or in Arlington Street. The last time we were there, when we looked out of our room, we saw homeless people outside the hotel. We're not seeing that here in Vienna, thank goodness. Anyway, that concludes the update on the room. Okay, so time to go down for dinner and catch you later. I'll also give a review of the restaurant. We ate in one last night, we're eating in the other one tonight. The reviews will follow soon. See you later.